Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to enable unused screen distance in iOS 17 on iPhone and iPad. So guys, Apple has recently announced iOS 17 with their new features and many more things. But guys, one of the most underrated iOS 17 features is called screen distance. It reminds you to hold your iPhone or iPad at a significant distance. This feature is targeted at users who use their iPhone or iPad while holding it extremely close to their eyes. So listen up parents, it's time to understand what is the screen distance feature in iOS 17 and how you can use it to reduce eye strain. First of all, I will tell you how to enable it. To enable it, simply have to open your settings, then scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now tap on screen distance. You can see option screen distance disabled. Simply enable it. You can see what is the use of this. To reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia in children, screen distance will alert you to hold on an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So guys, the new screen distance feature in iOS 17 is a part of the slew of health focus feature that Apple has introduced this year. Moving your screen at a distance of less than 12 inches for a prolonged period can lead to myopia or nearsightedness. So guys, it's a very great feature which has Apple recently introduced in iOS 17. So guys, this was the method to how to enable screen distance on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.